I'm so tired of having a cold. I have a chest cold and I literally am croaking. Not croaking? I don't think that's even a word. Every single time that I talk, my voice is cracking, not croaking, cracking. Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Allure February 2020 box. Super excited. This is the first time that I've received my Allure box so early in months, let me tell you. Before I start this unboxing, I want to let you guys know I do have a giveaway going on my channel. I'll make sure to link it in my description box. It is the Jeffree Star Mystery Box giveaway. It's really, really good. So if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and go like that video and write in the comment section what you're going to be doing for Valentine's Day this year or whenever. If you don't celebrate, if you do celebrate, just let me know in the comments below. But make sure you go enter it if you haven't yet, or if you'd like to. But that is it. I just want to tell you guys that. I am sick. I have a chest cold, so I do sound like I am. For some reason, I swing this knife around all the time, and I have a subscriber who's like, Abby, you scare me all the time with that knife. And I'm like, I scare myself. When I am editing my videos and I see myself swinging around a blue knife, I'm like, what in the world is wrong with you? We're gonna open this up and see what I got. If you don't know, Allure is $15 a month. This is probably one of those subscriptions that I will never get rid of. It's a beauty subscription, and you get a lot of stuff in this box. They do a lot of collabs. They did one with Jaclyn Hill. They did one with Nikki Tutorials. They've done one with Anastasia Beverly Hills. You get great products in the box. You do get a lot of full-size products as well, and it's only $15. The problem with Allure is that they're not very consistent with their boxes. So 1 month their box will be awesome, and the next month it won't be as great. But I do know in my mind, I'm like, I know next month is gonna be good, or the month after that's gonna be amazing. And I don't wanna miss out on any of their amazing boxes. So I'll probably have this box forever, but that's just me. Anyway, here is the box. Like I said, it's $15, and let's open it up. I have not seen any spoilers, so I am super excited. Okay, so you always get a pamphlet with a beautiful girl with amazing eyebrows on the front. I always get eyebrow envy every single time that I look at one of these beautiful women. And let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. It's fragrance free. You get a $3 coupon inside. This must be an extra. Oh yeah, sometimes if you get a product like this in your Allure box, usually the ad is on the back of the pamphlet. So this is just an extra. I don't mind getting a face moisturizer extra. I don't. Oh my goodness. Now that excessive packaging, I'll never understand that. Okay, it's not as big as that, but like, what? That, I was excited. I was like, oh, we might get enough, but no, it's the teeniest, littlest baby I've ever seen in my entire life. Here I go. My throat is sore, and it's going to, my voice is going to crack this entire video. Okay, so we got this little moisturizer. It looks like this on the inside, and I love getting moisturizer, so I'm not mad at getting a sample of a moisturizer because I will use it up. Okay, the next thing is this. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. It's just a little tiny sample. It says this formula includes Scottish Heather, also known as Kaluna, another proven skin smoother. It also has Lady's Mantle in it, and it's an antioxidant rich herb popular for calming redness. And it says any redness recedes and roughness reverts to baby levels of smoothness. You can wake up with skin as clear as that of a young and healthy medieval European woman. It says this is not a particularly, oh my, I'm not gonna try it again. Hydrating. So this isn't like super hydrating. So layer it with a moisturizer. It's called a sleeping mask, but none of its ingredients suggest it can only be worn at night. Wear it at any time. So again, the full size is $34, and we get this much. Okay, the next thing is this. Oh, never mind. This is not the next thing. This is the top to this. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so you get like a little lid. So if you don't use it, if you don't use it all, you can put the lid on. Oh, that is so cute. It's like a baby Tupperware container for skincare. I love that. The next thing is this, and this is, let me see, a NYX makeup brush. Oh, I haven't tried any of NYX makeup brushes. Okay, so this is priced anywhere from $14 to $17. What is this? Pro B02 brush. The Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. And it says it's amazing for depositing and smoothing pigments onto the skin. The bristles are densely packed in larger rounded shape to blend in foundation with more intensity than the fluffier version. And the Pro Powder Brush is my favorite for blush and highlighter. All right, I don't know which one this is. This is 02. So I don't know what this is. But whatever it's for, I'm very excited to use it because it's soft and it seems like it would be really nice. I really like NYX eyebrow pencils, so I'm sure this is going to be just as great as our eyebrow pencil, if not better. All right, the next thing is this, and this is the Bare Minerals Skin Cereals. Cereals? I don't know. This is Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. The full size of this is $58. I will never buy it. No, I won't. Using this watery serum between the toning. Oh, I've used this before. Okay, I've used this. Using this watery serum between the toning and moisturizing steps in my twice daily routine proved to be the extra kick of hydration and anti-inflammation I needed. And like I said, this is $58. This is just a serum. You put it on after you're done washing your face and toning, and then you can put this on. And then if it was me, I would use a moisturizer after this. But it's got a little pump, and it's not, this isn't bad. I personally wouldn't purchase the full size. I do like Bare Minerals products. I just never, when I use this, I didn't see like a huge significant difference in my skin when using this. Not enough for me to purchase something for $58. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is the Super Beauty Mask. Rose blended with Jarrett tea. It's honey Jarrett. I love the packaging. I wish that was a sticker. This says, this retails for $3, which is not a bad price at all. This is the appealing pink lemonade shade. The scent, strong but not offensively so, reminds me of Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Infused with rose and tea extracts, this formula's texture is lightweight and slick but not wet, making it easy to forget it's even on. Yeah, I can never forget when a sheet mask is on my face. I feel like a prisoner because I can't move. And I have those clips to use to hold them on my face, but I don't know, something about walking by the front windows with a mask on my face at night makes me think anybody that sees me is gonna think I'm a serial killer. The next thing is this, and this is by Wander Beauty. It's a little Wondrous Glow After Hours. It's formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and cruelty-free. Okay, so here's the packaging. And this says the full size of this retails for $30. And this is the Wander Beauty After Hours Highlighter. The shade is a silvery pearl that glints off the planes of my face without leaking, oh my gosh, I can't read. Leaking? No, without looking greasy. Okay, so it's this right here. It's a highlighter. And this is in the shade, I don't know. It just says Wondrous Afterglow. Oh, it's After Hours. That's the shade. Where am I going to put it? I'll put it here. Oh, that is pretty. I would put this in my inner corners. I'd wear it as an eyeshadow. It's right there. Oh, yes. You better work. That's really pretty. I swatched a bunch of stuff on my hand already today. Sorry, guys. Here, let me put it right here. I opened up a few boxes and I never put any kind of makeup wipes by my recording area, and then I regret it because I do videos like right now and you guys are looking at swatches of things that I'm not even showing you. All right, so this is really good. I really like that, and this little bit of highlighter will last you quite a while. I do love how it, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has like a little bit of pink in it. So it's like a gold pink color. It's very beautiful. I'll definitely wear it. And the last but not least is this. This is by Appeal Cosmetics. I love the packaging. It's a lipstick, I am assuming. And it's the Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse. This retails for $21. This lipstick is more of a rose than a nude, but it's not a rose in the wild. This is an aspirational rose, a brownish rose that looks regal, a glossy color that swipes on easily and blends, lending a tint of color without any opacity. This color elevates without disguising. It's not a glamour red or a flirty pink, a serious brown or a playful violet or blue. This shade is more essential. This color has already measured the dimensions of your bag and made room next to your wallet and keys. It will be a staple. Okay, that was a lot of explaining for a color. I still don't know what shade it is. Do you? I have no idea. I have no idea what they're trying to say. Okay. Yes, I just took off my lipstick with my fingers because, like I said, I do not have anything near me to take it off. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. For $21, I want a lot more lipstick than that. I want the whole entire thing to be filled with lipstick. I do. I don't know about you, but I do like the packaging. I like that you have this little tiny like nub that you can turn. All right, let's put this on, but let's swatch it first. But first, let's swatch. Okay. It is glossy. It's beautiful. I will wear that. Okay. It's creamy. It's not opaque at all, like they said. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty pink. I think it's a more nude rose than brown. Whatever they were saying. I don't know what they were saying. It does not go with my makeup look at all or my I'm sick sweatshirt, but I do like it. Do you? Do you think it's pretty? I think it's really, really pretty. I think it would look really pretty if I didn't have so much makeup on my face right now. I think this would be like a really pretty natural lip color to go with like a all natural, like beachy kind of look. It would be really pretty with just like a very natural look, makeup look. Some mascara, maybe some eyeliner, your brows on, and just blush and highlighter. I think that's a full face, right? That I just said? Absolutely. That was a full face. All right, guys, that is it for the Allure box for February 2020. What did you think about this box? Did you like it? Did you not like it? I thought it was good. I don't think it was their best box because they have had some awesome boxes, but it wasn't bad. That is it for today. Don't forget that I have a giveaway going on. I'm going to link that in my description box. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like the giveaway video, and write in the giveaway video comment section what you are going to do for Valentine's Day. If you're going to do something or if you're not going to do something, doesn't matter what you're going to do, or if you're not going to do it, just write it in my comment section so you can answer it. And I hope everyone's having a really, really great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great weekend. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.